Hi, my name is Janice and I'm from a group called I'm No Gardener, Get Me Out of Here. I thought I would share with you how I planted my avocado tree in London. As you can see, I have put it in a transparent cup. I put some toothpicks inside of it so it can balance and not drop to the bottom. And as you can see, it already has some roots growing, about 3 or 4, and then it has this growing at the top. This is actually the second one that I did. This is the first one that I did, and it grew really tall to about here. As you can see, my cat got hold of it and tore it to bits, and then I noticed that some other branches started growing from the side, and as you can see, it's really tall. Yeah, it's beautiful. Beautiful color. I don't know if I can show you the color properly. Looks like a rhubarb. Leaves are so beautiful. Look at that. How beautiful they are. So what I did after I put it in the pot, I actually kept it in my bathroom. It seems to like my bathroom, both of them. I take a shower in the morning and a shower at night, and when I've finished I just close the door, and in the morning I wake up and just this magic happens. So it can be done. So just wish me luck.